Hi, my name is Khloe, and I have a sweet treat for you today. We are going to review what we have already learned, so let's get rolling. The A spells ah. The A spells ah. Every letter has a sound. The A spells ah, like at the beginning of the word apple. M spells like at the beginning of the word mouse. Watch me. Now you try. Great job. S spells like the beginning of the word sun. Watch me. Now you try. T spells like the beginning of the word tiger. Watch me. Now you try. P spells like the beginning of the word pig. Watch me. Now you try. F spells like the beginning of the word fish. Watch me. Now you try. The I spells I. The I spells I. Every letter has a sound. The I spells I. Like the beginning of the word itch. N spells N. Like the beginning of the word nose. Watch me. Now you try. AM spells am, like the end of the word jam. Watch me. Am. Now you try. Am. AN spells an, like the beginning of the word ant. Watch me. An. Now you try. An. The O spells The O spells Every letter has a sound. The O spells like the beginning of the word octopus. The D spells D, like the beginning of the word dog. Watch me. D. Now you try. D. C spells K, like the beginning of the word cat. Watch me. K. Now you try. K. The U spells The U spells Every letter has a sound. The U spells like the beginning of the word up. G spells G, like the beginning of the word ghost. Watch me. G. Now you try. G. B spells B, like the beginning of the word bee. Watch me. B. Now you try. B. E spells E. The E spells E. Every letter has a sound. The E spells E, like the beginning of the word elephant. The K spells K, like the beginning of the word kite. Watch me. K. Now you try. K. H spells H, like the beginning of the word hat. Watch me. Now you try. R says like the beginning of the word red. Watch me. Now you try. L spells L, like the beginning of the word leaf. Watch me. Now you try. W spells W, like the beginning of the word watermelon. Watch me. W. Now you try. W. J spells J, like the beginning of the word jar. Watch me. J. Now you try. J. Y spells yeah, like the beginning of the word yellow. Watch me. Yeah. Now you try. Yeah. X spells x, like the end of the word fox. Watch me. X. Now you try. X. QU spells qua, like the beginning of the word queen. Watch me. Qua. Now you try. Qua. V spells v, like the beginning of the word volcano. Watch me. V. Now you try. V. Z spells z, like the beginning of the word zipper. Watch me. Z. Now you try. Z.
If you enjoyed this sweet review, make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends. We appreciate all your support. Thanks. Have a great day.